My name is Andrew. I am 5. I'm going to show you how to make the F-15. 4. You're just going to have to do this. Fold it like that. This one's going to look cool. Fold it again. And then you fold the other down. And then you fold it all the way down on here. And you fold in half. Then it's going to look like that. Same the other side. Like that. It's going to look like that. You kind of fold this up and you fold it this way. Make the wings now. It's gonna look like that. It's kind of like making a glider, but it's different making a glider. The F-15. Now there you go. You made it. I'll show you how it flies now, once I get off the chair.